My dear friends, I invite you to a new online course that I've just published. It is a collection of methods and processes that I use when I design and knit socks. I will share with you the easiest way to make top-down socks based on just a few simple calculations. This method is perfect for knitters who are new to sock knitting, as well as for those who want to be able to whip up socks without relying on patterns. I will also show you how to make great fitting toe-up socks without making any calculations at all. The course includes collections of stitch patterns designed specifically for sock making, and we'll also talk about various ways to make socks with several colors, because making colorful socks is so much fun, right? If you're interested in any of that, head to tenroseday.com/sock-knitting and sign up. The course is self-paced, so you'll be able to work on it whenever and wherever you want. No pressure and no deadlines.